Every custom showcase begins with understanding your unique needs. Our team collaborates closely with you to ensure the design aligns perfectly with your brand. Using premium materials and state-of-the-art technology, our craftsmen meticulously build each showcase to meet the highest standards. During the production of display cabinets for the client store, the entire construction and manufacturing cycle was challenging for us. The ceiling, floor, and partition walls must be perfectly matched, and the progress and quality of the project must be guaranteed. We constantly polished every detail of the display cabinet, including its color, size, material, and the proportion of the entire space. Finally, with the unremitting efforts of the team members, the project was perfectly completed within the production cycle and achieved the expected goals and effects. Through this project, the cohesion of our team has been improved. I believe that in future projects, we will be able to face new challenges more calmly.